Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. I'm appearing on behalf of Nikki Pangin. 11. Another councillor out of station.
Lordship, can this matter may be fixed on 19 May?
Okay, Your Lordship.
My Lordship. Lordship, this is revision against the impugn order passed in the criminal misapplication. Yes, Lordship. There was an interim order, but up 13/3/2025. Page number 81, Lordship. Page number 81. 81. Yes, Lordship. But the ground which was taken in under 127, I'm on 25,000, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. No, it has been increased up to 42,000, Lordship. And the claim 17,000, Lordship. Now this is in addition to the earlier order, Lordship. This earlier your 25,000, Lordship. Yes, this is the present order which I am impugning, Lordship. Lordship, the only ground that was taken in the criminal misapplication was that my salary has increased by 12,000. And now, application for announcement, Lordship, page number. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes. 25,000. Yes. Yes, Lordship. Yes. Yes, I have been paying 25,000 as per order dated 27/3/2020. Yes, yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship, the grant which they have taken is only my salary has increased to 12,000. Yes. Yes, Lordship, yes. This I five or increasing of 5,000, I don't have any dispute. Replay of that. Yes, Lordship, that's it. Highly. Lordship.
May I please? Lordship, this notice may be issued, madam, and if you know the madam, stay. My lord, that is not executable, my lord. My lord, there is, as per the Civil Code Act, my lord, 2021, my lord, village authority has been defined as customary court, my lord. Now it is a court, my lord. The court has, my lord, consists of the village, the villagers from the one particular village. But this case has been conducted by many members from the different villages, my lord. And that is not executable. But circle officer. Correct. 24, man. I'm sorry. Man. Yes, man. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Circle officer.
Payum Circle, Siang District, for execution of the order dated 27/12/2024. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Steps within 5 days.
Yes.
Both ways.
Yes. In the interim, madam.
In the interim, the impugn order dated 25/3/2025, 25/3 shall remain stay.
Madam, as well as that.
That it is only execution, isn't it?
Yes.
Primarily now the cause of action is 25/3.
Exactly.
So if it is stayed,
Develop.
because that order is of December 24.
Yes. Develop.
Heard. You are Mr. Ratan
M. Ratan.
and M. Ratan, Learned Counsel Board of Petitioner. Also heard demonstration, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor. Then first paragraph of the order. It is seen that the petitioner was arrested when
On 19/10/2024, man. 19/10/2024.
petitioner was arrested on 19/10/2024, in connection with ITA Women P.S. case number 57/2024 under section 137 BNS and under section 4 of the POCSO Act 2012. Full stop. It was alleged in the affair that on 11/10/2024 at midnight, the accused had kidnapped the daughter of the informant and had sexual relationship with her, and the girl is aged about 17 years. Be that as it may, during the statutory period, when the investigating authority did not and could not file search sheet / final form the petitioner was granted default bail by order dated 18/1/2025 by the Special Judge Pokso at UPI. However, till date, the petitioner in jail custody, as he could not fulfill the condition of a local surety as imposed in the bail order dated 18/1/2025. Full stop. 18/1/2025. It is seen that the bail order was passed way back on 18th 1/2025, and till date the petitioner is still in custody as he could not furnish a local surety. Full stop. It is by now well settled that it would be a traversy of justice if the petitioner is unable to secure the benefit of bail order for his inability to furnish local surety. In the considered opinion of this court, such condition will infringe the right of the petitioner guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, who continues to be detained, continues to be in custody when he was granted default bail and he could not, being a person, being not a local person, could not submit a local surety. Having considered the circumstances in the given facts of the present case, this court is of the opinion that the petitioner be released on bail without insisting on a local surety to ensure compliance of the court's bail order dated 18/1/2025. Would therefore sit the writ petition.
My lord, one more prayer is that, my lord. I have in my prayer, I have prayed for reduction of the bail amount also, my lord, because my lord, 40,000 is too high, my lord, and I am a daily wage earner.
40,000 you need not pay, na?
No, we have to pay, my lord. We have to deposit in the.
Like amount loss.
No, you need not. You will have to give some surety. Some bailor will come. One local surety is gone. He will give an undertaking that whenever
No, my lord, we have to deposit the money itself in the account of.
it's up to you. You may deposit. You may not deposit. Where is the condition that bail amount is to be deposited? What is that? Is a surety only, 40,000 surety. That in case this person plays away, the bailor will pay 40,000.
It's a surety like amount loss.
But my lord, here we used to pay in.
That you do not know where you used to
Yes.
pay. That cannot be.
So that's why I was praying for reduction of the.
Lordship, moreover, Lordship, here, Lordship, SD Lordship, I have taken the instructions already charged sheeted and now the trial stage. So, Lordship, it may be condition, may be Lordship, the other condition may be Lordship.
Other
as like
conditions
that.
are there.
Yes,
Yeah,
Lordship.
other
other
conditions,
conditions
other
will-
bail conditions shall remain.
Yes, Lordship, because other big question is like that, he has to appear before the court each and every face the trial, Lordship. There should be there, Lordship.
Carl will not come to give evidence. He played away everything. Finish the trial early at the earliest. Don't play away. 40,000, we cannot reduce.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
Dispose. Yes,
Lordship, in this case, is file on the ground that no case has been made out against the accused person.
What
Kindly
is
see
the
the FIR.
Huh?
Kindly see the FIR. This is completely a contractual matter. The breach of
FIR, where is
contract,
the FIR?
page number 15, annexure 1,
Page
15, 1
Hot.
Kindly read the FIR. FIR, no
What
case.
is your name?
Mustaf Ahmed.
Mustaq Ahmed.
Yes. This is a completely a contractual breach of contract. Allegation is breach of contract. There is a process of vehicle. Admittedly, I have enclosed all the out of 27 lakhs. I have paid 26 lakhs plus already to the Tata Motor Finance. I have purchased this vehicle from the Tata Motor Finance, not from the complainant. Because the complainant has surrendered his vehicle because he was unable to pay this.
Which police station?
Lordship,
This-
may I, Lordship, I have written Lordship, clearance in this matter, Lordship. This is the main accused in this affair, Lordship. And
Ah.
moreover, this Lordship, the bail, he was earlier granted anticipatory bail, Lordship, but he never turned up before the IO for the statement. So his bail was Lordship, recalled, Lordship. And Lordship, his accused is still at large. And so, Lordship, this is not maintainable because this investigation is
Where
yet
is
to
the
be,
statement
Lordship.
earlier rejection of bail?
Lordship, they
Lordship,
have
I
not engrossed,
I have
Lordship.
made a statement, Lordship.
So this is
Not-
the bail order. Where is the,
This
I have the Lordship, complete Lordship,
no, that's why since.
case that is there, Lordship, and Lordship, many cases are pending, Lordship. IA also pending,
So
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
therefore, Bablu Ali and another,
yes.
Nivas
They have
Thakur.
been, they have been, Babu Ali is co-accused. They have
Huh?
been given.
They have,
Bail.
they are co-accused, Lord. They have bail, but
Where is your bail order and recall order?
This I have just mentioned this
Where is that?
case number. This just
Where is that?
previously.
Where is that?
Make a statement. This page number 8 annex this para number 12. Kind of may I read the contents page number from 9. The way in the wake of the FIR that is such as a simple police station case is registered and the person in whose paper the purchase vehicle has been transferred has obtained anticipatory bail from this honorable court.
No, no,
By-
where is your bail order? And persons in whose favor purchase has been transferred has you're in bail in your case. Where is your statement?
no, Lordship, he never turned up,
And
Lordship.
kindly see again.
He has filed a bail application.
Yes,
kind-
Lordship, his
kind-
bail, he was granted a interim protection.
Where is
but-
that statement?
Kindly see again page number 9 para number 14. Paragraph number 14 says the petitioner has applied bail for anticipatory bail application number such as 114 which is still pending before
List this matter
this
along
honorable
with
interim order
AB
granting
number
anticipatory
149
granted on however due to
149
illness
2024
Yes,
on Monday next.
along with the case study, Lordship.
Along with the case. date.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
on Monday
Well, give
can
a
this matter be fixed on 8?
8.
So, scan copy of case study, Lordship.
Yes.
Along with the bail application number
Yes, Lordship.
at paragraph. I'm giving you.
Paragraph okay.
Bail application AB number 149 2024. Okay.
Paragraph 14.
Along with case diary of what is the police station case number?
Simple police
Simple PS, Lordship.
simple
Simple police PS station case number 34/2024
yes.
under section 406/468/471/420 IPC. It's not a simple contract. You have allegation is that you have sold it.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged.
Lordship, may I submit?
Husband and wife.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is the affair?
The FIR, that is in page number
Page number?
11.
Huh?
11.
11.
The FIR has been filed by the brother of the wife.
Medical report is there. Scan copies are called
Lordship,
for.
we have called for the case study, but we have not received yet, Lordship. So,
Case diary not written.
not Lordship.
Okay, case diary or scan copies.
Scan copy the case study, Lordship.
Case diary.
Yes.
Case diary call for is not received. Accordingly, list this matter. When?
Lordship,
Your Lordship, I have next
Next week,
all the other
Lordship.
documents are
Huh?
next week, candidate, Lordship, Wednesday, Lordship.
Wednesday. See, only difficulty is that if a husband
yes.
beats his wife mercilessly, hospitalized, referred to Itanagar in hospital, you better not to do that case before this bench. Even if it's husband and wife, you can mercilessly beating, there cannot be any, we do not know under what circumstances he has compromised.
In that case,
Therefore, we want to see the injury report
Yes, Lordship.
so that whether that facts alleged are correct or not.
Yes, sir.
If it is not correct that no serious injuries are there is some fight, we'll definitely allow. But if there are severe injuries, cut marks, lethal weapon, then no.
in that case, Your Lordship, the matter will be listed after a week. The senior consider the.
Okay. After 10 days.
Of license.
What happened to him? In this case, the
Lordship,
lordship
yet to receive cash diary, Lordship.
yet to receive,
Yes, Lordship.
yet to receive case diary. When?
Yes.
Next week, Lordship, on Tuesday, Lordship.
Lordship,
On Tuesday.
one thing, Lordship, this, one of the accused, this accused person, the wife of the accused person is at advanced stage of pregnancy. Maybe deliver.
Wait till Tuesday. Tuesday will consider. If CD is not there, we'll consider the interim.
Can this matter be on 8 again?
8.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I will be available on 8.
Okay. Okay. 8. Case diary 8.
6, 7, Lordship, same Lordship.
One.
Same.
Yes, Lordship.
What is this review?
Your Lordship, I am for the respondent.
For which order is sought to be reviewed?
Your Lordship, the order is to be reviewed is order dated 20th 10/2024. This was passed by this honorable courts.
None appears for the petitioner on call. List this matter.
My lord, I was trying to connect it through VC, my lord. My lord, there is an IA, my lord, the review is not because of any, my lord, patent illegality of nothing of that sort. There is, my lord, an emergent situation whereby the, my lord, the petitioner is suffering from liver cancer. And my lord, therefore, my lord, there is a direction that he will have to pay a sum of rupees for stay, to pay a sum of rupees 12 lakh, then only it will be stayed. The impugned order will be stayed. Now, my lord, here, my lord, an unfortunate event had occurred, my lord. This man, now the doctor have advised him for liver transplantation. Very pathetic situation, my lord. So, my lord, my only prayer is that by selling his ancestral property, he could manage his treatment expenses in Delhi. I have annexed the documents. So, upfront, he will pay 3 lakh rupees, because I also told them that there is a judicial order, at least pay something. So, he's ready to pay 3 lakhs rupees, maybe within 3 days. Within next week, he will pay 3 lakh rupees. To that extent, if your lordship accommodates, my lord, and there is a condonation of 9 days, there is only for that, not for any patent illegality on the face or nothing of that sort.
You deposit 3 lakhs before the registry, we are permitting you, then we'll consider it.
Absolutely, my lord, I am deeply obliged.
You first deposit it. Okay.
Absolutely.
The present review petition is filed seeking modification of the order dated 28/10/2024, whereby the petitioner was directed to deposit rupees 12 lakhs out of the total decretal amount of rupees 20,4750. It is the case of the petitioner that he would be due to his serious illness and involving his liver transplant, he has not been able to honor this court's order. However, he can pay an amount of rupees 3 lakhs within a period of week from today. 1 week?
My lord, 2 days. The money is ready, my lord.
We are giving you 1 week. 1 week's time from today. this application shall be considered after a week and on.
My lord, this is a review petition, so it has to be listed before your lordship
Oh, Lordship, on 8, okay?
on it.
8 on 8 of 8 is a Friday. Okay, 8 10 also you can give. We can have virtual, no problem. That next week, give next week.
And my lord,
14th of-
there is a
14th
there is a technical problem, my lord. There is an IA of 9 days condonation for
Forget
this
about
review.
it. Forget about that. On 14th, so and so for further consideration.
I'm deeply obliged.
Because that's deposit.
Absolutely.
Then we'll take note of.
Absolutely.
We'll take it virtually because this will go to my bench only.
Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Yes,
Lordship, service upon response number 2 is still
uh, office note dated 19/2/2025 reflects that unserved notice in respect of respondent number 2 is returned on a ground that the respondent number 2 was not found in the given address. In view of the aforesaid, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will obtain the correct address of the respondent number 2 and thereafter take steps, fresh steps, full stop. Accordingly, list this matter after 2 weeks.
Thank you.
Over. Yes. Item 12 is here for hearing.
Hearing matters.
That's why I said something.
Yes.
Yes, what is this?
My lord,
Lordship, before my learned friend starts the argument, here, Lordship, what we have to see is, Lordship, regarding the maintainability of this particular civil revision petition.
Okay.
Lordship, this is a revision petition challenging the interlocutory orders passed by the learned CGM. Lordship is aware that there is continuance of judgment where it says that the revision in the revision,
No, what
the
is
power is
order-
very limited.
What is the order challenge, order under challenge?
The interlocutory order.
No,
It's a
interlocutory-
delay
what kind of order?
delay condonation.
delay has been condoned in that order.
That was disposed of.
Delay condoned by in which application?
Civil appeal. It's a
Civil appeal.
appeal
Delay has been condoned.
condoned. That
Against
yes.
that order,
Uh.
we are before this court.
Why? How many days delay?
72 days.
According to them, 74 days. It was more than that.
What was the appeal?
My lord,
You are in a bad court.
no, my lord.
You are in an absolute bad court.
Let
I'm
me-
not saying you have a bad case, but you are in before a very bad court. That who is this 74 delay is nothing. In an appeal, it's a right.
My lord, kindly.
I'm just giving my opinion. We'll hear you. No issue on that. Yes, where is the order?
My lord, kindly allow me 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, I'll allow you. No
to give
problem.
a-
Before, so that you can argue properly,
Yes.
I have expressed my tendencies so far relating to delay, that too in a appeal.
I understand.
That's why
I
will
understand.
hear you. Okay, so let us see first the order, impugn order.
Impugn order is on page 21 of revision petition.
Page 21.
I would like to pray, my lord, that before going to this revision,
Hmm.
I would like to take my lord to the IA part, interlocutory application. I have filed an interlocutory application in this case.
In this case,
Because they were found tampering with the order sheet, tampering with the records.
we'll go to that. Just
Yes.
please tell us, where is the impugn order? I want to see
Page
that.
21 of civil revision petition, number 18,
Civil revision petition number 18.
21.
You are ready?
Lordship.
18. CRP 18.
CRP 18, main petition,
CRP 18, page
21,
21.
order dated 1/3/24. This is the impugned order.
According to a 80 days.
80 days.
80 days.
Actually, the grounds they took, they were false.
So according to you, they received, the copy was received by the representative of Medna clan.
Yes,
So it was 80 days.
yes. It was received on 10/5/2023.
Okay.
Admittedly, it is written wrongly in this order sheet 15/5 as 15/5. Actually, it is 10/5. It is in the pleading. And this is admitted by them. So they apparently made false statements on affidavit. That is the seriousness of this case. — 15/5 ought to have been 10/5/23.
Okay. Now what is your case?
My lord, give me 2 minutes
Hmm.
to give a chronology of the events. On 17/4/2023,
Hmm.
the customary court passed the judgment
Hmm.
in our favor with respect to land dispute.
Hmm.
So they challenged that order, judgment,
Hmm.
by preferring an appeal on 29/8/2023.
29/8/23.
2023,
What is the period of limitation?
30 days from the 30 days. It is their petition, in the petition from the date of receipt of judgment. So what they did, they filed a petition under Section 5 Limitation Act for condonation of delay, which according to them was 74 days. Fair enough, no problem. Now they have cited 3 grounds.
Hmm.
One is late receipt of the judgment. According to them, in the petition, which was made on affidavit, it was received on 16/5/2023. But we have, with evidence, and they have admitted that they actually received the copy of the judgment on 10/5,
Hmm.
not 16/5. So apparently, on admission, this statement was false statement made on affidavit.
Hmm.
Now, second ground which they took was that
Financial
constraint. So we have with document, we have given the RTO document of their 7 months prior to this filing of this appeal. The person who is saying that he has financial constraint, so much so that he did not have the money to file this appeal. He bought a Bolero camper, which is more than 10 lakh rupees. That also.
Did you file all this in your objection?
Yes.
What is
Everything.
that?
Page 44. All right, before coming to this revision, let me give the chronological event so as to have a better understanding of the case. I'm coming to the revision. Now, we have filed objection. We have categorically stated that they have made false ground. All the 3 grounds were false. And we have given evidence to that effect. But the appellate court below, it was pleased to allow the delay condonation on very perverse grounds by constructing a theory of its own. That I would definitely come while discussing the revision petition. Now, while giving the chronology of dates, so when this was allowed, revision petition, the delay condonation petition, so they were required to do what? The appeal was to be heard. Agreed by this impugned order, we prefer the revision before this court on 9/5/2024. On 10th, it was listed, and on the same date, our interim prayer for stay of the proceeding was rejected. So there was no barrier to them to pursue the appeal number 5, which was registered as appeal number 5. There was a technical error while registering the appeal number 5, because whenever we prefer an appeal belatedly, so we file a delay condonation petition which is registered as miss case. So appeal is never registered at that point of time.
But difficulty here is, forget about that customary code. Even here,
Yes, madam.
with the delay, the connected petition is registered.
Yes.
It cannot, the appeal cannot bond until and unless delay is
Condoned.
condoned. But here I have seen in everywhere, including revision petition, first appeal, second appeal, criminal appeal, everywhere, the limited delay will come with a registered
No,
appeal.
that is understandable. I understand that. So here, when the revision was listed, they were seeking time again and again and again. Repeatedly, they were given last chance. So they availed that luxury of taking last chance and last chance and last chance. Now, on 18/7, the appeal was listed, appeal number 5, listed before the appellate court below. And my name was shown. So I apprised the court that no, this is not the correct procedure. I appeared in the miss case. And unless and until that was disposed of, I cannot, because party has to receive the notice in the appeal. So on 18/7, I apprised the court regarding the correct procedure. The court understood. And on 18/7, it is on IA, it is page 19.
Notice issued.
The court directed, I'm just reading it. It is important. Mr. G. Seke appears for the respondent and submitted that he represented the respondent in miss case number 96. Only, as per procedure, the condonation is registered first and heard. And if the petition is allowed, then the appeal petition is registered and formal notice is issued after hearing the appellant. Correct. In the present instance, the appeal petition itself was registered along with the miss case number 96/23. So also there is no instruction for him from the respondent to represent, because the respondent did not. So therefore, formal notice may now be issued to enable the respondent to engage any counsel of their choice. Mr. B. Mikro appears for the appellant, and he has no objection if fresh notice is issued. So issue fresh notice. And steps to be taken within 7 days. So nothing wrong. Court also understood, and the irregularity was regularized. Thereafter, my lord, immediately after 4 days, on 22/7, I don't know what prompted them, they filed a fresh appeal. That appeal number 5 was put on the carpet. They filed a fresh appeal, and that appeal was ironically accepted. And it was registered as appeal number 3 against the same impugned judgment dated 17/4/23, passed by the customary court. Why they have done so, they need an explanation. That was the
So you want to say, if a fresh appeal is filed,
fresh appeal.
if fresh appeal is filed, or without withdrawing the earlier appeal.
No, I don't know whether earlier appeal was actually filed or not, because we did not receive any notice in that appeal number 5.
Was
fine.
Now,
That's
what is
incorrect.
the appeal number?
3.
Earlier was appeal 5.
5. So
Two,
what?
two appeals are pending now. Lord.
So on 18/7,
Then we'll clarify that this has become infructuous. Appeal 3 is to be, cannot be registered without condonation of delay.
because there is 38
Yes,
38
it
days
cannot
in
be.
delay.
Well, then you'll have to explain the other delay, this part of the delay. Why have you filed?
Lordship,
Have you filed any objection in the IA?
Lordship, I have filed.
What is your stand?
Lordship, my stand is, Lordship, there was certain miscommunication, Lordship. Since Lordship has rightly pointed out, saying that before condoning the
That-
delay,
that-
Lordship.
That stage is gone. When delay was condoned, appeal was already registered.
Lordship.
That will
But
continue.
that confusion was created,
But
Lordship.
notice is to be issued in the appeal afresh.
Exactly. I agree, Lordship. But what
Now,
confusion?
how can somebody take out a office record and file a fresh appeal?
No, that was not the case, Lordship. Here, Lordship, what happened is the sort of confusion that was created is my learned friend has submitted, Lordship. That
Where
the
is your
appeal,
I 149. My lord, being encouraged by their reward, which they got after making false statement on affidavit, they tampered with the
See,
records.
so far relate to tempered with the record. means-
no, Lordship, that was
I'm coming to that.
no,
Allow
Lordship.
me. I'm coming to that. Just, I have started. Now,
How
when,
can we temper with
my
the
lord,
evidence?
allow me,
Lordship?
my lord.
That's
When
not
this,
possible, Lordship.
when on 18/7, the order was very specific. There is no confusion in this order that you have to take steps. Very clear. Within 4 days, they filed this fresh appeal and that was accepted. Kindly see, my lord, the order is more strange. The order dated 22, which is page 21, my lord,
Page 21
of I.
yes.
Now see, my lord, kindly see the order. The present appeal, appeal number 3, which was registered. The present appeal has been preferred under section 15(3) of Arunachal Pradesh Civil Codes Amendment Act 22 for setting aside decision dated 74/23 passed by Village Authority, Customary Court, Chidu Village, Lower Dibang Village, so and so. The appeal has been filed after application for condonation of delay of 74 days was allowed by this court by order dated 1/3. That means I have allowed the delay condonation petition, which was filed on 29/8/23. So this appeal is accepted. I'm allowing this appeal. I'm accepting this appeal. This is the kind of order. They have put appeal number 5 deliberately under carpet within 4 days, my lord. And this is happening in the same record.
What is
And,
the record?
and their mischief is
All
not
for the, hard Swenson, learned counsel.
no, a record is there now. LCR is already there.
This is record of appeal.
5 and 3.
According to you, when appeal was filed?
Appeal was filed on 29/8/2023, first time. Appeal
Where
number
is
5.
that?
It must be there in the LCR.
That was registered as appeal number?
5. Which irregularity was corrected by order dated 18/7/2024.
Same copy?
No.
Two different
with modifications. Definitely with modifications. It is deliberate, man. And they did not stop here. Let me proceed further. Let me apprise the court the real picture. Now what happened? They were expecting that this revision petition will die. On 16/8, it was listed on 16/8. Before that, they filed this on 22/7, appeal number 3. On 23, they took steps. They took steps and sent the notice in appeal number 3. Appeal number 5 was put on the carpet deliberately. So on 24/7, they sent a notice which was received by me on 25th of 7. Now, they were waiting that this revision petition will die. They were expecting on 16/8. When on 16/8, the revision petition did not die. It was listed for another date. LCR was called later on. So what they did on 17/8, they again sent a notice on the appeal number 3 for the second time. Now, this time, what they did, they tampered with the date in the notice as well as copy of the order. They preponed the date. The date was fixed on 16/9, while the order dated 18/7/23. On 16/9, it was listed. The first notice was received by me. There also it was 16/9, the next date. But what prompted them now to send a second notice? So second notice was sent to me, and this is on page, kindly see, 22, my lord. Of I. 22 of I. They were very much encouraged by the reward that they got. This page number 22. Kindly see the date. There is a overwriting, change of date in the notice. Signature presiding officer is there. Now on the
Where
next
is the
page,
first notice, copy of the first?
first copy notice, my lord. This page 20. Page 20. Twenty-third 7, it was taken.
And
60.
what is, where is the order which is referable to this notice space?
Order is page 21. 18, that is 22-7.
This is in civil appeal 5.
3.
No, it is 5.
5 was put on the carpet. This is on
No,
3.
no, this is
Page 21.
page 21.
In civil appeal 5, they put it under carpet. They removed it.
Okay, this is the order passed in civil appeal.
Number 3,
We're fixing the date on
16-9.
16/9. So
Yes.
accordingly, this is the notice.
Sent on 24/7/2020.
It is a notice dated next day, 23/7.
Yes.
Okay, now where is the order of the second notice?
Second notice is 22 and on.
Second notice is 23/7/24.
Yes.
Now new date is 22/8/2020.
Yes. And now see 20th page number 23, order. The 16-9 was tampered with. Not once, twice, but thrice.
So it was preponed. After you received the notice to be 16/9.
16-9. Appeal number 5 was put under carpet. Appeal number 3.
There is no initial signature in this order. We need an inquiry to this. Register will make an
You know,
inquiry.
let me proceed. The picture is still there. Now what happened? When they sent the second notice, so we received it. We definitely sense foul play, serious foul play.
No, there must be an order. Okay, this order they say it was sent subsequently.
Yes.
Okay, then.
Now, on 19, we received the second notice, 19/8. On receiving, we sense serious foul play on their part. Immediately, we obtain the certified copy. That is on page 26.
Page
26 of I, Annexure 12. This was obtained on 19/8 when we received the second notice.
So
Now
this
here,
this is a certified copy.
yes,
So this court
Date-
record is not manipulated. They have
not
manipulated
manipulated
outside.
till 19.
Hmm.
Till 19, it was not manipulated. So the order was intact, 69 intact. That means they tampered with, they have manipulated. Now what happened, the irony is that, kindly see the next page. On 21, we again applied for certified copy of the notice with the order sheet. That is 27, kindly see. Now, what we are seeing, that this order sheet, the date has been changed,
27.
27. And in the 28,
Where is your you got this page 26?
yes, my lord.
It's a certified copy.
Yes, we obtained it on 19/8/24.
19/8/24
Yes, my lord.
and 21/8/24.
We again applied for certified copy.
So 28 applied. So this was date is changed, but this date was shown to be changed in the earlier when you received the notice.
Yes. On 20, no, not first notice,
No, second notice.
Second notice.
Second notice.
just a few days ago.
So few days ago you received the notice with the first you received a notice with the original date.
1 month back, yes.
1 month back. Then thereafter you received a
Second.
notice, second notice which changed the
Date.
date.
Yes.
So you immediately applied for the certificate copy of the order.
Order.
The order is intact as 16/9 earlier.
Yes.
On second day, when you again apply the certificate copy, there is a change.
Change.
So even if there is a change in the date, notice or you would not have received the notice prior to that.
Definitely. So everything was hand in gloves. They have managed the system to such extent. So they have sullied the purity of the fountain of justice. This is serious. This is serious.
This is really serious. We'll have an inquiry through the register. Mr. Saikia,
Yes, ma'am.
you give a chronology of dates and page.
My lord.
Are you having it?
My lord, chronology of dates. No, handwritten is there.
You type it,
Yes, my lord.
you send it to any mail of either of them.
My lord.
You virtually appear on Monday,
My lord.
possible?
6th.
6th or 7th?
6th, my lord. I have another case.
6th, you have
Yes.
another case. 6th, you appear.
Yes, my lord.
You give the report before that. That's type copy.
My chronology of dates.
Chronology of dates.
Definitely.
Heard at some length, list this matter for further hearing on 6th.
Lordship, I have certain explanation to make, Lordship.
No, you will make explanation.
On
but
6th.
Prima facie, I want an inquiry so that you get your clean sheet. Okay?
Lordship,
For your favor, I will get an inquiry done through the office of the register so that we also understand what actually happened.
Lordship, that
This is there is an allegation and counter allegation.
Lordship,
Changing of dates and
Mm.
things. These are not yours under your domain.
Lordship,
It cannot be your domain.
Lordship, there is a order of the CGM itself, whereby all those miscommunications and all those things have been clearly highlighted, and he has given certain directions also. Lordship, in my reply, I have annexed that order of the
Understand, but if the facts are correct, the certified copies are correct, then no order can cure this. Understand?
Lordship.
No order can cure this. And if the CGM has tried to protect him by passing an order, what is the date of this order?
This is 28 August 2024. Lordship.
28 August 2024.
22 August.
22 August. So certified copy was given to him on 19th August.
That is after that happened.
After that, he has passed the order. Isn't it?
Yes.
Why he has passed this order? Because he want to fill up his lacunas, what he has committed. So, had he not passed this order, this blame would have been upon you.
Yes.
Now he clarifies his position by saying that this, how can it be done? He needs a training or suspension for a departmental proceeding.
Lordship, I'll try to.
I do something. I have not taken a view.
Lordship.
We'll take it on 6th.
Yeah.
We'll hear you. We'll give you a patient hearing.
Okay.
But prima facie, see, so far relating to delay 74 or 80 days, they still not make no difference when it's a question of first appeal. Still, I'm saying, okay, explanation may not be correct. There may be some wrong statement. Then also I'll condone the delay. But the miscase can be converted into an application under 227, the supervisory jurisdiction. Where is the CGM's order?
Which order?
Space in your objection.
Objection.
Space.
It is
That's the order of the CGM
order.
clarifying.
उनके इसमें रिप्लाई में उनके रिप्लाई में कौन सा पेज में
68, Lordship. Starting from 68, Lordship.
page 68.
My reply to the IA.
Yes. No.
Over smart. Smart people are good. Monday, 6th.
Obliged.
Where is he now posted?
He, Lord.
He?
Pasigata.
Now in Pasig. Keep the name.
To list of dates. I will submit on Monday list of dates, chronology of those things.
What is this? Civil level 05/2023. Dibang Delhi. Oh, what is, this is part of this record, I think. Senior division rowing.
Lordship,
Yeah.
it will be
Yeah.
part of that.
This is part of
Yeah.
it. List this with the same order. Give a
Obliged.
chronology of events. You also give a chronology of events.
Lord.
My lord. Obliged.
Yes.